I welcome you all to today's video. Okay guys, 2 days ago I got a message from one of my subscribers thanking me for the edition of the trending market for the week. He said he actually reminded me of this particular asset called Boom 500. He said several weeks ago I did an analysis on it, which started around here from the support zone, and he said in the analysis I made it known that it's going to be going on uptrend right from this support zone since it's unable to break out below it, and I drew out this channel, and of course right from there it has been going up. With this particular asset alone, he was able to move his $100 account into $3,400 within this period. This is amazing. This is actually a long trading period, and of course he has been using it to milk the market successfully, and right now it has gotten to this resistance zone, and we might be having something unique happening from here. Okay guys, I know some of you just allow this opportunity to pass away. You don't watch the video because it is a trending, it is an analysis on the markets that are going to be trending for the week. Okay, it might not give you the exact entry point and the exact exit point, but it is a guide for you to know what to go for every week. And of course every week I come up to let you know, okay, it is still going up, it is still going up, and it is still going up. So that was what he told me. He said each time he watched my video on Monday and I let him know that this is still going up, then definitely it will still it will leave his trade to keep on going, and if there is an opportunity for him to come in again, he comes in again, and that will also be in profit. So he has been gathering up his profit right from there till it got to over $3,000. That's amazing guys, that's amazing. I'm really excited about this news. Of course there are so many testimonies like that. All you just need to do is just to act on what you are hearing on this channel. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay guys, we will be having another edition of it again. Okay, so today we'll be checking out the trending market for the week, and of course we will be analyzing the market to check out the direction of the market for a whole week. And of course you guys already know that this will be done on higher time frame. Okay, so that is amazing guys. So quickly now, for those of you who are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of my videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. If you have any question at all, you can contact me on WhatsApp, or probably you drop your question within the comment section. Okay, it's so beautiful when you have an opportunity like this, and of course if you are acting on it, definitely you will be able to make some good amount of money for yourself right from there. Okay guys, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. So let's move on to what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be on higher time frame. You should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame in case you want to trade for a short period of time. This is very, very important, okay, because a little pullback on higher time frame can be a major reversal on lower time frame. Okay, so this is very, very important. So we will be looking into it right away. So we will be starting with Boom 1000. So like I said earlier on, it is important you take every trading activity serious. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so many people have been coming up with amazing testimony right from here. Okay, this was on downtrend before. This is daily time frame. It was on downtrend before. Remember very well when I drew this line, I told you once it crosses it, it's going to go on uptrend. You can see it got to this region, and of course since it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend downtrend, which came to an end at this support zone. And right from here, I remember telling you that if it's not going to break out below this support zone, then it will start a buy trend. So it got to this region, pull back. This was a major pullback, so it went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and right now it has got into a new resistance zone. You can see I actually highlighted this went above it a bit to create another resistance zone around here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, but it will be trying it out again. It has pulled back for the past 2 days, so it will be trying it out again to see if it will break out above that resistance zone. But I want you to take it bit by bit. This is the first stage, okay, first phase of it. Okay, once it breaks out above it, then you should remember there was one here. So once it breaks out above that, then this is the next one. Okay, if it breaks out above this, then it will be trying out this particular resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then we should be looking at the other resistance zone above this. But if it does not, then we should be ready for a sell trend right from there. So this is very, very important. But for now, this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is Boom 500, just the way we have seen it. Okay, this is actually like I said earlier on, this actually started from here and it has been going up and up. It has got into this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out above it, so it pulled back and of course played around there, and of course guys, it's maybe trying it out again. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above it, then we should be having a sell trend right from there. Okay, but for now, this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, which is going to be more of an uptrend at the moment than a downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Okay guys, this is Crash 1000. This had been on uptrend for a while now. It has been going on uptrend for weeks, and of course right now it has got into this resistance zone and has not been able to break out above the resistance zone, so it's going back on downtrend at the moment. Okay, so this should be selling more, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, but for now it has not been able to break out above it, so we should be having more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 had actually been on downtrend for a very long time, but it has gotten to this support zone and has not been able to break out from there, so it's going back on uptrend, but it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it's led to this pullback. So it is still on the pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the buy trend. So for now, it is on downtrend at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, then it will continue with the uptrend. So this is very, very important. The general market is on uptrend, it's going back on uptrend, just that it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. That is why it's led to the pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the trend, which is the normal uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Volatility 75. Okay, so let's check it out right away. This is Volatility 75, just the way we have seen it. This started an uptrend right from here and it has got into this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it's led to this major pullback. Okay, for those of you that followed my analysis, you will notice that I've been on this trade for days now, and of course it's went into loss and of course went back into profits, still went back into loss again, and of course right now it is on a big profit at the moment. Once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then more profits will continue that way. So this is actually a unique way of trading when you understand the direction of the market, because I know it should definitely go back into an uptrend. So definitely I had to wait for it to go into it. That is why you need to make sure you are in control of the market. Okay, so that is it. Your lot size will help you to be in control of the market. Once you are in control of the market, you'll definitely make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. So this is going to be in a good profit at the end of the day. It's already in a good profit, about $300 profit at the moment. So this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today, and all you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. And remember, if you are trading on a lower time frame, then definitely you should understand that the analysis are coming from the higher time frame, so you should be able to balance between the two so that you can have a successful trading journey. I want more testimony like this, like what we had today in the video from you guys, so that you guys will help me to know that you guys are actually making some good amount of money using this particular platform. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.